Hey, what's up guys, it's your girl Nene. I'm back at it again with another makeup tutorial. If you guys like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up, as well as if you want to see more of my videos, as well as keep up with all my future updates, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, as well as making sure that your notification bell is on so you guys can keep up with all my updates. Alright, so today's video is pretty much going to be a 10-minute prom makeup type thing going on. Another 10-minute makeup challenge is actually something that's popular in like on YouTube and whatnot, but I don't have a timer, so I'm just going based off of the timer on the recording thing on my camera. So pretty much that's that. So pretty much this makeup tutorial is strictly for the girls who they don't really understand makeup to a whole T, but they do a good enough job to, look presentable out the house. So, and I really feel like with prom tutorials and makeup tutorials in general, there's really not enough or barely any for girls like you guys. And, well, not necessarily girls, but whoever wears makeup, that likes makeup, that's not really 100% advanced or whatever. This is for you. Okay, so pretty much, this is like a pencil for me is the quickest, so I'm gonna use the Santee eyebrow designer in the color black, and I'm gonna do my eyebrows real quick. Okay, see, now I'm feeling some type of way because why couldn't I do this in my last video? Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna go into this NYX palette. This is concealer palette, and I'm gonna take this color right here. I'm just gonna use that to like clean up my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the NYX eyeshadow base in the color Skin Tone. And I'm just going to like put that all over my eyes. Pretty much I'm just going to like blend this out with my finger. Pretty much for this eye look, you literally only need one brush and your finger. That's it. The color is gonna be real simple, natural-ish. If you want it to be like more natural, then I would say for your lid color, use the color Radar. But if you want more of a pop of color, I would say use this color, and this color is named Dirty Sweet. Today I'm going for more of a pop of color, but Radar is more of a like a bronze kind of color. So yeah. So pretty much for our transition, not necessarily transition, but for the base color, we're gonna go into Whiskey, which is this brown right here. Yeah, for your lid color, I'm gonna go in with Dirty Sweet, which is this right here. I'm just gonna use my finger for that. With the same brush that I had the other brown color on, I'm just gonna like kind of blend that out. so that everything will pretty much look even. I'm not putting any excess product on it or anything. Mascara I'm gonna be using, I was saying the wrong brand this whole entire time. This is not Maybelline, this is actually Loreal. So I'm gonna be taking the Loreal Voluminous Superstar X Fiber, and I usually use side 1. Then for lashes, I had got these lashes from the beauty supply store. They look like this. Pretty much, you just want something to at least give it like a little flare on the eye. You know, something that's not too bold, not too extra, but it just gives it a little oomph, if that makes sense. Okay, so pretty much this is literally it for the eyes. Like, that's it. And this could also be a cute going to work type of look. Like, what? This is cute. This could be a, like, you know, a nice going to work kind of look, a nice, you know, quick date night, get ready in 10 minutes kind of look. Like, something is cute. But this is for prom. To be honest with you, this is giving me I had did a video like a long time ago, and I think it was like some kind of date night, get ready with me kind of look. I don't know, but I'm gonna insert a clip of it in the video somewhere here. But it's giving me that vibes. Like, this is cute. And for those who have been following me like on Snapchat like for the longest or whatever, you guys should already know a gold eye is literally classic Nene J. So I love a good gold eye or a good bronze eye, something to that effect. But anyway, let's get on to foundation. Now, no, first off, I need the Prom. I'm gonna use the Pure Miracle Mist. I actually got this because of Jackie Aina. I seen her with it, and I'm just like, you know what? I gotta get it because she was raving about it. So it smells so good, I swear. Okay, so pretty much this is kind of dewy, and like for me, I like to stay matte. So your best bet is using a powder foundation that is your skin tone for this part. And I'm gonna go in with the Cover FX. I'm in the color N110. And also, like, when you will watch, you know, other makeup tutorials, like Jackie Aina, for example, and she would do the step of setting your primer. This is kind of like setting your primer, but without setting your primer, if that makes sense. This is like for looks like this, for times where I really don't want to do like a full glam kind of face, or, you know, something to that nature. This is why I would buy concealers that are in my skin tone. And on the ColourPop concealer in Rich 75, they had changed the names and added more shades. And so I had bought this when they had first released. I'm in the shade Rich 75, and pretty much what you would want to do with this is pretty much like put it, not necessarily apply it like how you would do foundation, but pretty much apply it in a applying concealer-esque kind of thing. something like that. After this, pretty much, I don't want to do contouring. Honestly, this is just not going to do contouring. So pretty much, I'm going to go straight into blush. I'm going to use the Juvias Plays Volume 2 palette. And I'm going to use the color B. Yeah, I'm going to use B. Like, B is such a nice, subtle color, so... Well, if you're a darker skin tone, it looks very subtle on you, but if you are lighter, you really want to go in with the lighter hand than what I'm using right now. Because this stuff is pigmented, and literally a long way. Like, literally a little goes a long way, honestly. Okay, for highlight, I'm going to go in with MAC's Gold Deposit. This is literally my favorite MAC highlighter. Okay, so for the lips, I'm going to use this eye pencil by Nicka, the trusty old eye pencil. I'm just going to line my lips with that. It's in the color brown. Okay, and for lipsticks, I'm going to mix these two NYX lingerie minis. The first one I'm going to put on is After Hours. In the center, I'm gonna use Corset. Then to set it, you can also use this to set. This is Pure Miracle Mist Hydrate and Set. So it's both a primer and a fix. A primer and a setting spray. Kind of similar. Okay, so I guess this is kind of similar to MAC Fix Plus. I think you could do the same thing with both. Like, I'm new to this, so like I'm just, you know, giving it a test run and everything. So far I like it. But yes, I'm just gonna set my face with this. Okay, this does give you a dewy look. And I'm not feeling the dewy look. Honestly, I'm really not. But it does, ooh. It does do the highlight some justice though. I'm not gonna lie, it does, but I don't know if I'm here for a dewy. I don't know if I'm here for a dewy look, but if you are dry skin girl, definitely I would say definitely use that as a setting spray. But if you are not, like I am, I would say stick to MAC Fix Plus, honestly. I forgot my bottom lashes. I look at you, you feel it too. Hands touching palms. Oh, see, this is why I stand for this this mascara. Like, look. 10 minutes ago I didn't have lashes, bottom lashes, and now look. Lashes. Yes. You know, as this dried down, I'm not mad at it. Honestly, I'm actually not mad at this. I feel like because I set it, like I had pretty much put a matte and then sprayed it dewy, it kind of is giving me the same effect as Fix Plus does for me. But to me, Fix Plus is a little bit more drier than this is. But I'm not mad at it. I'm really not mad at this. But yeah, pretty much this is the finished look. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one.